Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today I'm doing a fun little video on this 2023 Ural gear up, and that's going to be how to use our reverse hand shifter. So in the frame here we can see the top of our reverse hand shifter. We sell these kits on our online store, so definitely give that a look. It'll pop up in the video right now for you to click on. So this kit in particular gives us a nice hand shifter for reverse. We can see this tall one I'm holding on to, and there's one slightly out of frame just below it that's a little lever for two-wheel drive. So these are great, especially if you ride off-road. All your main kind of controls are right here, right at hand. There's no messing with a little lever behind your leg for two-wheel drive anymore, or the heel-toe actuator for reverse. So of course you still have your forward gears on your left foot, as you're used to in any riding any motorcycle or ATV. But this hand shifter, it's satisfying to use, and people love watching you use it too. You'll be reversing, pull it into a gas station, fill up reverse. People are looking at you in disbelief of like, what'd you just do? That's amazing. So I'm gonna start the Ural and just walk you through just simply how to use it and how easy it is to use, and maybe we'll learn a couple things we didn't know before. So I'm gonna power up the Ural here, and we're in neutral, so I'm just gonna start it up. So now that we're in neutral, now normally you would just pull in the clutch and click into reverse with your foot, but now all we do is we put the clutch in and we push forward. And now we're in reverse. We can see we're moving backwards. Of course, I'm not using any gas because we're off-road right now. There's a lot of resistance. And then once we're done, we just pull this back, click into first, and then we're ready to go forwards. And another cool thing that you may not realize, so right now I'm in first gear. You can see I'm using the clutch. When you're in first gear, you can just pop it right into reverse. And now we're ready to go backwards. And when you pull it back out, the lever back out, now we're in neutral and we can go back into first. So that's pretty cool that it's designed this way. So we're in first gear, you're in some technical situations, and then you don't have to kind of mess around with finding neutral. If you got to reverse real quick, all you do is just push the lever forward and then it goes right into reverse. And when you pull it out, it's already located in neutral for you. So we can see I just let the clutch out, and that's all there is. So it is, as we see, it is possible. You can just go right from first to reverse, and then when you come out, it's right in neutral. You don't actually have to find neutral first. So thank you for watching this quick little fun video. This is our Overland series Ural, so I'll link a website page for you to click on that'll come up right now for you. To check out this build, tons of awesome accessories on this Ural, making it this Overland style machine. Plenty of other videos to watch in this one as well. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss the latest motoring content we offer.